Well, hello, thank you for joining me. We are playing It Works Electronics Repair Simulator, the playtest. I love that there's a poster right here to let us know for sure that we're doing the playtest. Thank you so much, developer, so kindly for inviting me to play the playtest. And it looks like we're going to do new games. I kind of like this menu here. New game. Start a new game. Welcome to your new workplace. It's a modest garage bought on credit, which from today is your first workshop. It doesn't look impressive, but this is where you start building your own electronic repair business. Customers don't know you yet, and the installations won't pay themselves. Everything depends on how well you handle your first job. Before you start working, you need to clean the garage. There's a load of trash on the floor that only gets in the way. Get rid of it to prepare your space for repairs. All right. So we got a neighborhood, we got a pick up and a drop off. Great job, you can move and throw the rest of your items yourself. Time to turn on the computer and check what's waiting in your mailbox. Trying to look through to see what the neighborhood looks like. A little bit of lag. A little bit of lag. I'm impressed with this garbage can that is taking these pallets just fine. Bit of a TARDIS in there, I guess. We don't have jump. I was really hoping we had jump. I could take a look at the neighborhood. Right, so we got a tower over there. That house there. I know, the game's like, you do not have to put all the garbage away, but we're going to anyway, because it's here, and we can. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm pretty much done with the Next Fest demos, so any demos that you're going to see after this point isn't really Next Fest. It's just playtests and demos that have come out after. But I say that, and actually, there's kind of a bit of a funny story. I was cleaning out my my recording drive, and I found a whole day's worth of Next Fest videos that I hadn't gotten around to editing and uploading. So I finally did that, and they're kind of just chilling and waiting for me to make the thumbnails and schedule them. So yeah, my bad. I think there's like 10 of them. How I missed 10 demos that needed to be edited, I don't know. It just gives you an idea of how many that I recorded. I think partly what it was the day that I recorded those, I had played probably, I don't know, 20 bad demos. And so, like, I don't know. I think when it came to the moment of trying to find the good ones mixed in with the bad recordings, I was like, oh, I don't know. I just maybe assumed they were all bad. I don't know. Anyway, doesn't matter. We have a cute little car. Okay. Click on the mail icon. This app lets you read messages from clients' shops, system notifications, job offers, and sometimes even that spam. You can view, accept, or decline tasks here. Check it often to keep up with the new jobs. Click the inbox from John Kowalski. Hi, I saw the sign that you just opened up in the neighborhood. I figured I'd give you a shot and see if you can know your stuff. I have a problem with my phone. It suddenly stopped making any sounds. The speaker is dead silent, and I can't hear any music or ringtones. Could you look inside and see what got fried? I hope it's a minor issue, and you won't charge me millions right at the start. Good luck with the new business, and let me know when the device is ready. Cheers, your first and hopefully regular customer. Well, we learned how to check your email. New jobs will arrive here, so check your inbox regularly. Right, thank you. Thank you. Rid of this. Is this coming in via drone? Oh, buddy! Oh, you're so cute. Oh, bye. On the left side of the screen is your backpack, and on the right is the container. Move items by dragging them. Okay. Mm. Okay, place the package on the ground using button. Okay. Interact with the package. Transfer all. Place DVOX 1 on the workbench to begin. To repair this phone, you will need to buy specific tools. Different devices and components require the use of different tools for repairs. Okay, approach your computer. Can I escape? Thank you. Shop. In the shop app, you can purchase equipment such as furniture and decorations, repair tools, and electronic components. Repair tools. Add. I didn't read any of the name of those devices. Is the courier gonna be our little dude? It is the little dude. Hi, you're back. What's your name? Do you have a name? Oh, no. Can I stand in your way? No, he moves me out. All right, fair enough. Okay. Pick up the new order and unpack the tools. Got it. Oh. Okay. Now that you have all the necessary tools, it's time to start the repair. Focus, because the repairs are not always easy. The client mentioned in the email that something is wrong with the audio, so we need to take a look into that. Let's start by testing the phone's sound. You can change the camera control by pressing V. I'm pressing V right now, and the camera control is not changing. Ta-da. Sound test. The sound is indeed not working, so you need to remove the screen and look inside the phone. The spudger will be useful for this. Okay, put the screen... Okay. Backpack. Okay, perfect. Component communicates with each other through the traces located on the PCB. The yellow traces show connections between components, allowing you to easily identify which elements are connected. When the device works correctly, components receive power and signals travel through the PCB traces. The phone has an audio issue, so let's start by checking the speaker. Let's measure the input. Alright, we are getting... Okay, there we go. Alright, received a no voltage reading and a fail status. This means the signal is not reaching the speaker, but it does not necessarily mean the speaker is faulty. In this situation, we should trace the path backwards towards the power source. Let's check the output of the audio processor. No signal was detected here either. However, it still does not mean let's... Once again, we received... Okay. Let's continue the diagnostics. Okay, the capacitor is not passing voltage to its output. Let's check its input. Voltage is present in the capacitor input. We found the cause of the problem. The faulty capacitor interrupted the flow of current to the remaining components connected to this PCB trace. The faulty components must be replaced. To safely unsolder the broken capacitor, you must first disconnect it from the power supply, the phone's battery. You'll need a blue spudger for this. Okay, put down the spudger. The camera angle is crazy. Okay, I figured it out. You gotta hold V and that's how you like change which direction you're looking at. Okay, hover the mouse over the output capacitor. There you go. Put down the soldering iron. The brick capacitor is useless now, so you can throw it away in the trash and order a new one. You'll need a screen glue to reattach the phone screen, so buy that as well. Right? This is huge in our hand. Those parts cost us $190. The courier's coming back. Yay! Hey, buddy. Oh, he's so cute. Bye, buddy. Okay. In this camera angled. Okay, there we go. Pick up the soldering iron. Hey, we passed. Alright, looks like the problem has been resolved. Some faults are visible to the naked eye, for example, when the component is burnt out. However, many failures leave no visible trace. If the CPU output has a fail status, there might be several possible causes of the problem. The CPU may be damaged. The capacitor may be damaged. The PMIC may be damaged. The battery may be damaged. For this reason, diagnostics should never be rushed. A missing signal at a component's output does not automatically mean that the component itself is defective. The customer will not reimburse the cost of replacing a component that was actually working. It's always worth checking the component located earlier in the same PCB trace. Some circuits provide power to multiple components at the same time. A good example is the PMIC. The PMIC is damaged, multiple components may stop receiving voltage at the same time, even though power is still reaching the PMIC itself. The power source itself may also be faulty. In that case, voltage will not be present anywhere on the board. Let's return to the audio issue. After replacing the faulty component, we should verify whether the device is now functioning correctly. Take the phone screen out of your backpack. Pressing the button, the sound works properly. The phone is fixed. Now you need to attach the screen one last time. Apply a layer of screen glue, and then attach the screen. Okay. The phone is fixed. Now it's time to ship the delivery. You will need a shipping box to send the repair item safely. The shipping box costs $15. That seems a little expensive. Guess maybe it's like the shipping box and peanuts and like a holder for the phone so it doesn't shake in the box. Hi again. You are my favorite part of this playtest. Yes, you are. Okay. Oh, it was more than one box. All right, I can live with that. Night can be skipped between... Oh, interesting. This is an app where you manage your workflow. Here you can view detailed information about your current orders. See more. Prepare to send. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, grab this. Okay, approach the parcel locker using... Right. Interact. Great job. The robot will collect your package and deliver it to the customer. You just earned your first money. Good luck with future repairs. 8. Accept repair orders. Find the damaged component. Replace it with the working one. The fault can be anywhere in the circuit. Okay, we'll just... Alright, I think I'm going to stop here. I think we got a pretty good idea of what the demo has to offer. I actually really like it. The robot is my favorite part of the whole game. Little carrier guy. This dude right here. He's my favorite. Yeah, anyway, I will be back with something else. Thank you so much for keeping me company.